Welcome to solverfy.
Hello, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we are evaluating the integral. So, the best thing to do is to let all the constant, that c and k and all that is not related to t, come out of the integral sign. So, for example, we can have the c and the k out. Then we have the integral. The next thing to do The next thing to do is to multiply the e to the power negative lambda t by all that we have in a bracket. So here we have t outside, negative t outside, then we have k plus lambda, then dt. Okay, so we can write it as limit as t approaches infinity of c and k, then the integral from 0 to t. Okay, so now we look at the evaluation of the integral. When you integrate this, you have 1 over negative lambda. Okay, that is a t, a negative t, and this one you have a positive because that's a negative already. So 1 over k plus lambda e negative t k plus lambda. Okay, so the whole thing is from 0 to t. Okay, now the ones that are involving the 0 can be replaced and the t as well. So c and k, when you put t over there, you have t all around. So that is 1 over lambda. I'm putting t in place of itself, so nothing really much going on. I'm just putting t back. The next step is you put 0 there. Okay, so here okay, let me write it at this point. you put 0 into them, so the whole thing becomes 1 1. So that is negative 1 over lambda plus 1 over k plus lambda. Okay, right. Now let's evaluate them using the lambda. Now the limit t approaches infinity of anything that is related to the negative of t is 0. Okay, so this is 0. It means that this and that would become 0 as t approach 0, and it means that they would not matter, so it would have a negative multiplying all these. So we find that the lambda becomes, so 1 over this negative here that multiplies all of them. Okay, because as t becomes very large, the whole of this goes to 0, so this becomes 0 as well, so it goes to 0, then this becomes 0. Okay, so that's why we would ignore it entirely. Okay, so here is what we have. We can write it in another way, that is having a base for them. One thing that, okay, this isn't affected by the limit because it's a constant and nothing like the t. Okay, so here we can have a base that is lambda and k plus lambda, and here we have lambda, okay, minus lambda. Okay, so we end up having cn, then this one is that, so we have k, all right, so the whole thing now becomes, this k crosses out, you have cn, then lambda k plus lambda. So this is the solution. Okay, so thanks for your time. This is the end of the lesson.